Today I'm here with Joe Frank. He is a senior service specialist, and we are going to be talking about Crane Engineering's BPO Repair and Exchange program.
Hi, Alana.
Hi, Joe. Are you able to tell me what the BPO Repair and Exchange program is, as well as how the Crane customers will benefit from this?
Sure. A BPO stands for backpullout, and it's an assembly. So this assembly includes the bearing frame, the thrust bearing housing, the shaft, bearings, and labyrinth oil seals. It includes the frame adapter, on shaft sleeve if it has that design, and can include stuffing box covers and mechanical seals, casing gaskets, impeller O-ring, coupler feet. This back pullout assembly is a pre-assembled unit, and it allows the customer to manage one part number instead of 30 or 40 individual components that they have to manage at the rate stocking levels. This also shortens the amount of time it takes to do a change out and an installation in the field.
If this is the case, what is the Crane customer's role in the BPO Repair and Exchange program?
Okay, so the customer has the installed pumps, and they know the urgency to change out these pumps. So they would stock a minimum level of inventory of these back pull-out assemblies so they can cover an emergency on a weekend or after hours. And then they get changed out after hours quickly, and then they can be sent in for rebuild at our service center at a later date. By having these pre-assembled units ready to go, it really shortens the amount of time it takes to change a back pull-out assembly out, and they can focus more time on doing a high quality alignment and working on removing pipe strain and software. So by utilizing these back pull-out assemblies that are rebuilt by factory trained service technicians, following OEM factory procedures and proper tooling and taking those shortcuts, it ensures that we're extending the service life of each and every one of these units and maximizing the mean time between failures.